I'm Teffo Seakamela, and I was born in Limpopo to a small area called Bochum. And I was raised by a single mother who I saw what is it to get educated from. She demonstrated it, and unfortunately she passed away, but I have a picture and I want to leave her legacy even more. At first, it's so funny because at first I just wanted to see myself in the lab wearing a lab coat, and I thought that is just science general. So when I went to my first year, University of Pretoria, 2004, I registered BSc in physics and chemistry, and then I wanted to take chemistry. Unfortunately, I was scoring physics, and then I qualified for honors for physics, and then I continued. And then when we go for conferences or functions for physics, and then I see women who are doctors and postgrad, and then I saw them, I was like, I want to be like that one day. There are many careers because physics is very, it's a spectrum, or an umbrella. So if you choose physics and you like it, you can become an application engineer, or you can become design engineer, or you can become data analyst, or you can work at the bank. There are so many, you cannot finish them. Or you can become also a actuarial scientist. So there are many. What I like about physics, you can choose after that. You're not just concentrating on, like, if you study something and then you only work on that thing and then you get tired. Some people, they get tired after that, they want to venture in other, but they can't because of that career. But with physics, there are many careers, as I've mentioned them already, but they are still, the list is endless. What led me into doing PhD is, there are so many things. I got motivated by other women, but truly speaking, let me be honest, I just wanted to be a granny, one day, a granny who's a doctor and also a professor. Like, I see myself, like I'm on the journey, I'm about to finish, but in my mind, besides the money and stuff, the title, I wanted to earn the title to myself and be a granny. I don't know, but I believe that I'll be a granny who's a doctor, telling the other young ladies who want advice from me as a granny, and then I'll tell them I'm a doctor, you see, or a professor. And then the other things is because I love teaching, I love educating. So, and also I want to be an expert in the field that I'm doing. I like interior design, house interior design, and also fashion. I don't know, like without like, I don't know, I know physics is very complicated, it needs motivation. So for me, you see, I have to motivate myself. Even now when I'm studying PhD, for me not to be impatient, I have to also include my hobbies like fashion. I have to look good. It really gives me energy and motivates me. When you are, let's say you are doing final year, because you know that you are interested in physics or in science, you want to pursue that career, then you meet some, let's say not only teachers or lecturers who looks you down. And then they will tell you that you can't make it because you learn by the heart. You think you can make it to postgraduate in physics. You know, they look at you down. So those are the problems that I personally met, those kind of problems. Sometimes I feel like I can go back to those lecturers and teachers and tell them where I am now. Because now it makes me happy. It's something that makes me happy because physics helps you to think, it helps you to solve problems also, you see. So now, even in my life in general, I can be able to solve problems because of physics. So I wish I can go to them and even thank them for looking me down, because maybe I wouldn't be where I am. And then what motivated me, I think it's surrounding yourself with the people who are in the same career with me, and also going to conferences to see other women from other universities. You get motivated. And also I will not leave my hobbies. My fishing still keep me motivated, because I remember when I was in another university doing physics, they were telling me that a physicist doesn't look like you, because I liked looking good. So it nearly put me down, because it nearly took my confidence that, okay, I need to wear a jean and a sneaker, but that's not me. That I was like, you know what, I'm going to be different. I am a physicist, and I'm not here by mistake. I like it, and then I will look like this. And nowadays I see women in physics looking like me. It's no longer a different thing. I'm not judged anymore with my lipsticks, and you see, I continue to be myself, because that motivated me, because physics is it needs motivation, because it's a good subject, because it helps you to solve problems, right?
The University of Johannesburg, a future reimagined.